Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
February 23, 10:41 America, New York. U.S. puts forward businessman to lead World Bank. Raised in India, Ajay Banga led MasterCard for more than a decade.
Global economy.
February 23, 10:37 America, New York. Chinese bank executive in line to take the helm at PBOC. Beijing prepares to overhaul leadership of financial institutions as economy recovers from COVID.
Global economy.
February 23, 10 o'clock America, New York. U.S. nominates former MasterCard chief as World Bank president. Ajay Banga tapped by Joe Biden as institution shifts to greater focus on climate change.
Daily FX market news.
February 23, 10 o'clock America, New York. Equities outlook. Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq lifted by upbeat earnings. The S&P 500 index, Dow Jones 30 and the Nasdaq 100 are attempting to reverse the recent slump after the FOMC minutes and Nvidia earnings helped lift sentiment.
New York Times Business.
February 23, 9:35 America, New York. EU officials ban TikTok from employees' phones. The European Commission takes aim at the popular Chinese-owned app, citing cybersecurity threats. The offices of TikTok and ByteDance in Singapore, last month. Daily FX market news.
February 23, 8:54 America, New York. Crude oil update. Anticipated EIA stock build favors current trading range. Stock builds in the U.S. and a stronger dollar may be offset by production cuts in Russia and the China reopening effect. However, rising rates raise concern over demand.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 23, 8:39 America, New York. Jobless claims edged lower last week. Worker filings for unemployment benefits remain historically low in a strong labor market.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 23, 8:36 America, New York. Brazil suspends beef exports to China after finding mad cow disease. Brazil confirms a case of mad cow disease at a small farm in the Amazonian state of Para, leading it to halt beef exports to China.
New York Times Business.
February 23, 8:06 America, New York. Chinese tech giants promise their own ChatGPT-style chatbots. A wave of Chinese tech companies are announcing their own AI-powered chatbots, but face hurdles imposed by their own government. Baidu plans to roll out its ChatGPT-style technology next month.
Global economy. February 23, 7:46 America, New York. ECB scraps dividend after rising interest rates wipe out profits. Eurozone central bank risks losses in the coming years as it unwinds quantitative easing policies.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 23, 7:43 America, New York. Netflix cuts subscription prices in over 30 countries. The move comes as the streaming company says members have never had more choices when it comes to entertainment.
BBC News Business.
February 23, 7:08 America, New York. Vegetable shortages could last for up to a month. The Environment Secretary says shortages of some fruit and vegetables could go on for up to 4 weeks.
Daily FX market news.
February 23, 7 o'clock America, New York. GBP, USD wilts toward key retracement as rate prospects support USD. Economic fragility in the UK and the prospect of higher interest rates for longer in the US add up to a toxic mix for sterling bulls.
Digital finance.
February 23, 5:59 America, New York. Hong Kong's crypto rules and food trucks. The crypto industry wanted clarity on providing services to retail investors. And boy did it get it. The post-Hong Kong's crypto rules and food trucks appeared first on digital finance.
Finance and economics.
February 23, 5:57 America, New York. Despite the bullish talk, Wall Street has China reservations. The growth juggernaut is trading at a discount.
Finance and economics.
February 23, 5:54 America, New York. What war has done to Europe's economy? After the energy crisis comes low growth and stubborn inflation.
New York Times Business.
February 23, 5 o'clock America, New York. Chip makers turn cutthroat and fight for share of federal money. Semiconductor companies, which united to get the CHIPS Act approved, have set off a lobbying frenzy as they argue for more cash than their competitors. Chips at Intel's plant in Chandler, Arizona.
BBC News Business.
February 23, 3:14 America, New York. Steel industry concerned over speed of energy help. UK Steel says plans for government support is welcome, but fears more job cuts in the industry.
Marginal revolution.
February 23, 037 America, New York. The decline of Michelin-starred restaurants. That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column. Here is one bit. And then there is the spread of the Michelin brand. There are now Michelin guides for many U.S. cities, which has caused the brand to lose some exclusivity.